Stop Windows Defender from deleting your files. So if you want to stop Windows Defender from deleting your files, you must add them as an exclusion or restore them from quarantine, because this will tell the system not to scan or alter specific files or their folders. So if you want to do that, simply go to your search bar and search for virus and threat protection. Then simply tap on open. Now it will open your Windows security. Now search for exclusion. So scroll down. Now simply tap on manage setting under virus and threat protection settings. Tap on here. Now scroll down and you'll find exclusion over here, where it is written Microsoft Defender antivirus won't scan items that have been excluded. Excluded items could contain threats that make your device vulnerable. So this is exactly what we want to do. Simply tap on add or remove exclusion and then select on the file, folders, or any photos that you want to add by locating it from the drive. And that's it, guys. After you include that, you won't be, and it will save it as a setting, and it will exclude it. It won't scan it, and in this way you can stop Windows Defender from deleting your files.